If your Echo Dot Max keeps showing up this spinning yellow light and it won't respond to your commands, don't worry, let's go through 2 quick fixes to get rid of that. This usually happens when your Mac accidentally enters setup mode. So first, you can just wait a couple of minutes to see if it exits setup mode on its own. If it doesn't, just press and hold the volume up and mic mute buttons together for 7 seconds, and it'll exit setup mode, giving you a voice prompt.
Setup mode is off.
Now, just in case, if the yellow light is still spinning in your case, try saying, "Alexa." It may respond normally and get out of that. But if it goes right back to the spinning yellow light from that, try a cold boot. Just go ahead and unplug the Macs, wait around 15 to 20 seconds, and then simply plug it back in. Give it a few moments to connect to the Wi-Fi, and your yellow or amber spinning light will be gone. That's all for today. See you at the next one.